Do you want to know how you can log into your Kashflow Payroll account? If yes, then you've come to the right place. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Kashflow Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC, go to the search bar and search for Kashflow Payroll Login. And click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you directly to the login portal, which is the official login portal as you can see of Kashflow Payroll. The first step is to write down your email address. Write down your email address in the first box and then go to the password box and write down the password associated with your account on Kashflow. Make sure to check your password by clicking on this icon. After you write down your email address and password associated with your Kashflow Payroll account, go ahead and click Submit. This way you can successfully log into your Kashflow Payroll account. If in case you have forgotten your password, this is the link for you to follow. Click on this link and write down your email address. After you write down your email address, click Get Resent Link. A link will be sent to you by Kashflow Payroll on the associated email which you have written. Check on mail, go ahead and click on the link and a reset mail will be sent. Go ahead and click on that link again and then you can reset your password and log into your account once again. I hope this video about how you can log into your Kashflow Payroll account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.